What's up, everyone? Ready to make your Ring doorbell feel at home on a new Wi-Fi network? First things first, open up the Ring app on your phone. Give it a second to load, and we're in. Now from the home screen, find the device you want to update. I'm using my Ring stick-up cam as an example. Tap it, then hit that little gear icon to get into settings. Scroll down a bit until you see device health. Go ahead and tap that. Almost there. Now scroll to the network section and tap change Wi-Fi network. A pop-up will warn you the device will disconnect during the process, but don't worry, it's normal. Tap continue. Your Ring device should start flashing blue. That means it's in setup mode and ready to connect to a new network. The app will walk you through it. Select the Wi-Fi network you want. Also, fun fact, the first time I did this I had my AirPods in and the camera talked to me out of nowhere. Gave me a little heart attack, not gonna lie. Enter your Wi-Fi password, let it do its thing, and done. That's it. Your Ring device is now connected to the new network. And just like that, you're all set. You can follow the same steps for any Ring device, whether it's a doorbell, a cam, whatever. If this helped you out, be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.